National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern DeKalb County and north central Illinois, northern Lee County and north central Illinois, Oakland County and north central Illinois, southern Winnebago County and north central Illinois until 9 o'clock p.m. At 7:57 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Stillman Valley to Pillow and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Oregon, Dixon, Rochelle, Juneau, Kirkland, Franklin Grove, Hillcrest, Ashton, Kingston, Malta, New Milford, Davis Junction, Creston, and Stewart. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers